Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check screen time on Android phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Controlling the daily usage of your phone is important. You use your phone daily to stay in communication with people by text, phone call, email, but you're also guilty of wasting time on your phones. But is fully controlled really possible? Especially in today's world. So, in this video, I'll show you how to check your screen time, how to manage your screen time on Android phone. It's very simple. So, first of all, you can go to settings. You can go to your phone settings. From your phone settings, you can just scroll down until you find there is an option digital well-being and parental controls. You can just select on that. So here's your digital well-being tools. To check your screen time details, there is an option view app activity details. You can just select on that. So here's all your app activity details, your screen time. You can check the screen time in here for 6 hours. You can check the time, how much time you use the app like TikTok, camera, Instagram. As you can see in here, I have used TikTok for 3 hours, 20 minutes, and also camera for 36 minutes, Instagram. So you can check all the apps activity details in here, and also your screen time. And also in here, you can, if you go back, you can manage your timer. You can set the bedtime mode, screen time reminders if you don't want to use your phone. You want to limit your phone used, you can use the reminders in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your screen time on Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.